video for you guys. This is for my BMW people, or for my Acura people and BMW people and everybody else. I've been doing transmission reset that I do on the Acura TLs and the Hondas and different models. The transmission reset also works for the BMWs. So I'm making a video right now to show you guys that the same reset for the transmission, it can work for the BMWs. I'm going to show you the process, how to do it on the BMW. Okay, so you basically just put the key in the slot, put the ignition on. Okay, you turn the ignition on, you hold the gas pedal to the floor for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And you take your foot off the gas pedal, you take the key out the ignition, turn the car off, hit the button, turn the car off, take the key out the ignition, put the key back in the ignition, and start the car. And it's perfect, good to go. You reset your transmission and it should shift better. It'll remap itself to the way that you drive, and basically it'll shift better, shift quicker, and the car will accelerate a lot faster. Just wanted to make this video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. It works, trust me, you're gonna love the way your car drives afterwards.